Welcome to Super Simple Supper! We make things that are super simple for busy families like us.
Today we are going to make a narwhal cake with a mirror glaze frosting.
The things you need are gelatin, water, white chocolate, condensed milk, frosting, and your cake.
First, we're going to frost the bottom layer of our cake.
Next, put the second layer on top of your cake. And then frost it.
I can try this one.
I want to try too.
After you put your crumb coat, put your cake in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. Now we are going to make our narwhal out of fondant.
This is a good workout.
Then thinly roll out yellow fondant.
Then you're going to wrap your fondant, yellow fondant, around a chopstick.
Now shape your fondant like this and then put the tail on.
Then make the eyes with black and white fondant. You can do this however you'd like. Then attach the narwhal tooth.
Here we made shells out of fondant.
Then we'll start making the mirror glazed frosting. First, mix your water and gelatin and set aside. Then heat your condensed milk in a pot. Now add white chocolate. Then add the gelatin mixture. Mix well until everything is melted. Then strain your mixture so you won't get any lumps. Then divide it into 3 portions. One of them is dark blue, another one is light blue, and the last one stays white. When the temperature of your mixture is 90 degrees, pour it over your cake. Start with the dark blue.
Then drizzle the light blue on top.
Then drizzle the white frosting. The best part about this is that you can taste the drips.
Good. Tastes like chocolate.
Yeah,
Well, it's white chocolate.
of course it tastes like chocolate because it is chocolate.
Then you can transfer the cake onto a cake stand.
Now we are going to put our creations on the cake. You can make it look like an ocean, like put a star right here, a little seashell there.
You can eat it.
It looks so pretty, I can't believe it.
Hannah, there's
Yeah.
3 stars.
Mommy, remember when you said that we're gonna fail? This is not a fail cake.
Our narwhal cake is done.
And it's a mirror glaze cake too.
And it looks so cute. Thank you for watching Super Simple Supper.
If you like this video,
Please comment.
And like.
and subscribe.
Bye.